Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy. Welcome to this quick guide on staking crypto using Trust Wallet. If you're looking to make your cryptocurrency work for you, staking is an excellent way to earn passive income. Essentially, you're helping secure a blockchain network by locking up your coins, and in return, you get rewards. Trust Wallet makes this incredibly easy and secure right from your phone. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up your staking and start earning those rewards, so let's jump right in. Before we dive into the staking process itself, there are a few important preparations. Make sure you've got the Trust Wallet app installed on your device, and please double-check that your wallet is securely backed up. That's crucial for your asset's safety. Next, you'll need to own some cryptocurrency that Trust Wallet supports for staking. Popular options include BNB for the Binance Smart Chain, Cosmos, or Tezos. And finally, always ensure you have a little extra crypto for the network transaction fees, as these are necessary to complete your staking actions. All right, with your wallet ready, let's find where to stake your crypto. Open your Trust Wallet app and direct your attention to the Discover tab, which you'll typically find located at the bottom of your screen. This tab is your gateway to various decentralized applications and services, including staking. Once inside, look for the Staking section, which will neatly list all the cryptocurrencies currently available for you to stake directly through Trust Wallet. Sometimes, if you're already on the page of a coin that supports staking, you might even see a stake button right there. Choose your preferred method to proceed. Now comes the exciting part: executing the stake. Once you've selected the cryptocurrency you want to stake from the available list, simply tap on the Stake button. You'll then be prompted to enter the amount of crypto you wish to commit. Remember to check if there are any minimum staking requirements or specific lockup periods associated with that particular coin. Before you finalize anything, take a moment to thoroughly review all the transaction details. Pay close attention to the estimated annual rewards and understand the unbonding period, which is the time it takes for your staked assets to become available again after you decide to unstake. Once everything looks correct, go ahead and confirm the transaction. After successfully staking your crypto, you'll naturally want to keep an eye on your earnings. Trust Wallet makes it easy to monitor your staking rewards and the overall status of your staked assets right within the app. Depending on the cryptocurrency you've chosen, rewards might be automatically added to your staked balance, or you might need to manually claim them from time to time. Should you ever decide to unstake your assets, simply navigate back to the staking section for that coin. Just a friendly reminder: always be aware of the unbonding period. This is a crucial waiting time during which your assets are no longer earning rewards, but are also not yet accessible in your wallet after you initiate the unstaking process. So plan accordingly. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.